mano e te motu whānui nau mai rarau mai ki tēnei pāpāhotanga whakāta Māori. E pāpāho atu ana i te whakapautai poi tūkohu a o ngā kura tuarua o te motu. He konei tātou ki te whare o Central Energy Trust Arena ki te Papaioia. Tuatahi ake, e mihi ana ki te mana whenua o tēnei rohe. Tiriketu ki te ko rangitāne ki te whenua rangitāne tangata tēnei ka mihi ka whakamata. Tuarua ki ngā kai whakahaere, ngā kai wawao, ngā kai tākuro, me ngā kai haapai, katoa o tēnei kaupapa, tēnā koutou katoa. O tira, kia koutou ko tūhono mai ki tēnei pāpāhotanga, nei rā ka mihi. Ko Shikoni Hakarai tūna tōku ingoa he uri tēnei no Ngāti Raukawa, Ngāti Maniapoto me te aroa anō hoki, ko au tō kai pāpāho i te rangi nei. Ka pai, in today's game, we will be seeing Manukura play up against Ashburton College. I tēnei wā kei te rongo i ngā kōtiro, e whakamahana ana ki te kōti. A te iwa karaka tēnei kēmu kā tīmata. E mua i tō tātou ruku ki tēnei kēmu, ka mihia ki ngā kaitautoko o tēnei kaupapa, tuatahi ake ko whakata Māori, nā rātou tēnei pāpāhotanga kore utu ahakoa kei whea koe i te motu. O tira anō ki ngā kaitautoko āpūtea ko koutou ko Bailey's Real Estate, ko Caltex, ko Nativa, ko Polo Projects, me kore ake koutou. So just want to give a huge shout out to our sponsors of this event. We have Whakata Māori, who is bringing this live stream to you all today, free of charge, no matter where you are in the country. Also to Bailey's Real Estate, Caltex, Nativa, Apollo Projects for supporting this kaupapa and the live stream as well. E kore rā ngā mihi e memiti ki a koutou. Tai rawa atu ki te taurawhiri, i tā koutou tautoko i ngā pāpāhotanga Māori, kia rongo, kia rangona te reo, ki tēnei horopaki hā kina kina. Ka pai, kia koutou e tauhou nei ki tēnei pāpāhotanga. Te aho nei, ko te kura o Ashburton e mau ana i ngā tai kikorangi, kahurangi, ko manukura ki ngā tai whero. Te aho nei ki te heetera ko Ashburton ki ngā tai whero, manukura e mau ana i te kahurangi, te kikorangi. Ka pai rā kua tīmata kaha nei te kura o Ashburton, a strong start there by Ashburton College. Rawe te taupukinga tērā, Maia Manukura, te tūrapa. Rawe hoki tawa tūrapa no Ashburton, great rebound there. Rawe katoa ngā mahi ārai, great defensive push there from Manukura. Rawe katoa te ārai. Manukura bringing the ball down the court at a good pace here. A tāhua ngā mahi kōkiri. Kia kite ake tātou I te rautaki kōkiri o Manukura. Nice defense there. A tāhua rawa. Beautiful. Nice contest there between number 20 and number 7. Anei rā te rārangi ingoa e karema. So here we have the name lists for Manukura. We have Ariana Papanui, Chloe Chambers, Coco Bell Umanga Marshall, Jaden Nolan Canterbury, Jay Harrison, Geordie Lee Kotuhi, Taylor Singh, Kaimani Lee Abbott, Kirikopi Skara, Sienna Faye Kotuhi, Tatiana Lawton, and Te Kapuhuia Poihipi. With head coach Adam Tapsell, assistant coach Tanya Hunter, and manager Kylie Tapsell. Papai Ashburton putting themselves on the leaderboard first, on the scoreboard first in this game. Mo te toru. Great work there, keeping the ball in. Te tere hoki o tēnei kōkiri, a fast drive there by double. A tāhua rawa taua te toru piro. Ka pai te kōkiri ki kona mai ia Singh. Rawe te tūrapa o Larry. Ka pai ko te raringi ingoa o Ashburton College. We have in number 4, Tia Double. Number 5, Taylor Lamets. Number 6, Georgia Abernethy. Number 8, Casey Cousins. Number 9, Mackenzie Goodfellow. Number 10, Lucy Pierce. Number 11, Kate Cochran, number 12, Abby Cochran, 13, Isla Moffat, and 20, Yasmin Larry. With head coach Summer Anderson, assistant coach Jeffrey Chapman, and manager Cara Hollis Double. Ka pai Singh tērā mawana I te pōro. Nice little deflection there by Laments. Ka pai tatari ana te kaiwawau. Nice take there by Larry. Rawe te kōkiri me te kuti hoki. Ko skara tērā ka whiu atu. I te pōro. Good work here from Ashburton College. Ka rawe. Me te tahi piro hoki. Ka pai ka riro. Ko tahi kuru tautuku. One free throw for Larry. Ka musu pea ka whai piro. Ka pai ko tahi anō ki aia. Ka riro piro anō. And another great free throw there. Ka pai te ahua nei ahua te rapa I he te whakawhiti kōrero. Rawe te kōkiri, great drive there from double. Ka hoa tū kia Abernethy, ka hoki anō kia double. Nice fake there and dodge. Double with the ball, passes it to Abernethy. Unable to find the basket, kei te pai tērā. Ka pai Abbott e mauana I te pōro I nai nei. Abbott with the ball now. Passes it off. Another good drive and pass there. Abbott unable to find the basket. Kei te pai tērā. Another good attempt though. Double with the ball again. Beautiful drive there by Abernethy. Rawe katoa. Nice strategy there from Ashburton. Engari, he ua tā rātou riro I taua piro. Picked up by Manukura. They travelled quickly down to their shooting end. Nicely picked up there. A tāhua hoki taua. Beautiful work there from Larry. Ka pai ko karanga wā tērā. Tēnā pia kei te kōrero rautaki e nei tima e rua. I tēnei wā ko ngā piro, we have Ashburton leading this game on 6 points and Manukura currently on 3 points. Ka pai tēnā pia ko te kura o manukura e ka kōrero rautaki hei āwhina i tā rātou taha kuru pia. Ko ia rā tētai āhuatanga o te kāreti o Ashburton e kite nei au tino toki tā rātou noho ki raro i te pai. Ka pai Abbott with the ball now, passes it off. Rawe te kōkiri ki kona Maya Abbott. Ka riro piro hoki ia a tāhua rawa. Ka pai ka kotahi te kuru tautuku ki aia. E he ka rua ke. Ka whai piro ia. Another point for Manukura. We have Goodfellow bringing the ball down the court now. Passes it to Lamont, who passes it to Double. And finds he tauira no Manukura. Finds Poihipi. Rawe te tūrapa. Great defensive pressure there by Manukura under the hoop. Just causing the breakdown of communication. By Lamont and Double bringing the ball down. Nicely deflected there by Manukura. That was Singh. Tāhua rawa. Te tūrapa. Manukura just struggling to hold on to the ball as they approach the shooting end, their shooting end. Nice defense there by Manukura. Tāhua rawa. And Singh puts it up and through the hoop. Great defense there. Tāhua rawa. Taua ārai mai te kura o Manukura. Also defensive pressure there under the hoop in their own shooting circle. Papa, another timeout has been called. Kua ki tēnei tātou, kua rereke te rautaki o Manukura. We've seen, I guess the defensive strategy may have changed for Manukura. They came back from that timeout a lot stronger than in the beginning of the game. They were playing a bit more man on D, especially during the throw-ins as well. Just really putting that pressure on higher on the court. Nō reira te rā pia ko te kōrero i naina ki te kura o Ashburton. Ka pehea rātou e aukati tā Manukura rautaki kia piki anō tā rātou ake taumata. So now, I guess the question is, how will Ashburton kind of overcome the strategy that Manukura's put out there in terms of defense and defensive pressure? Hopefully we get to see that on court. Beautiful drive there. Ka pai kua karangahara. Taua nei kei te mātiru ngā kaiwawa. Kōrero te kaiwawa ki ngā kaiwhakahaere. I think the umpire is just checking something with the officials. Rawenga mahi ārai, great defensive pressure there from Ashburton. Double bringing the ball down. Passes it to Cochrane. Nicely picked up there by Abbott. Rebounds her own attempt. And again, a nice pick up by Abernethy, who brings it down court. Abernethy's a good fellow. Back to Abernethy. Ka pai, ka kuru tautuku. Ko tahi anō te kuru tautuku ki aia. Ātāhua rawa, another point on the board for Ashburton. Abbott again bringing the ball down court. Nice pass there from Scudder. Nice defensive pressure there from Manukura. That was good work there from Cochrane, getting around and away from the defense. Unable to retain the ball, picked up nicely by Ashburton. And a good attempt there by Abernethy. Nice pick up there, I raro I te pau. Ka riro piro te atahua hoki. Te tere hoki o taua piro. A quick point there from Manukura. Again, good defensive pressure there from Manukura. Rawe katoa ngā mahi ārai, te kōkiri hoki. By Goodfellow will start us off again. Nicely intercepted there by Abbott. Atahua, beautiful intercepts there by Abernethy. pai kia kotahi anō te kurutautuku kia Abernethy ka whai piro ia e he ko tapu ki tērā pia. Good defensive structure there in the circle. Nicely picked up there by Double. Cochrane now with the ball. Good awareness there by Abbott. Letting her team set up. And a nice attempt there by Scudder. Abbott with the three now. Ka riro toru piro a tāhua katoa tērā. Beautiful shot there from Abbott. Kapai, and that is the end of the first quarter. We have Manukura leading us 13 points and Ashburton College on 10 points. Kapa, we have Abernethy starting us off with the throw-in for Ashburton College. Great defensive pressure there from Manukura Kua Karangahara, a foul called. Cochrane with the throw now. A tāhua rawa taua kuru. Te ahua nei ko Abernethy tērā. Nicely picked up there. Ka reawe hoki. Another great point there from Manukura. Double bringing the ball down now. Nice and patiently bringing the ball down as well. Cochrane with the ball. Atahua te kōkiri, nice drive there. Nicely picked up as well. Kapai officials just checking something. Double with the ball. Atahua tōna kōkiri. Nicely passed off there to Cochrane. Rawe, te tūrapa. Ko tuhi tērā e kōkiri ana ka hoatu. And a nice fake there. Nicely picked up. Ka whai piro anō a Manukura. Great rebound and shot again. Bit of miscommunication there between the Ashburton players. Chambers ka hoatu kia Umanga Marshall, who brings it down into the key. Nicely passed off there to Kotuhi. Again, nicely deflected and picked up by Umanga Marshall. Ka hoatu kia. Good one-on-one defensive pressure there. Cochrane with the drive. Ka rero rua piro atahua. Beautiful floater there. Good driving there by Kotuhi. Ko karanga hara ki runga e tētai o ana hoariri, no reira, ka riro kia rua kuru tautuku ki aia. Nicely defended there by Ashburton. Ka pai kei te rongo i ngā kai whakahaere e kōrero ata wetewete i ngā āhuatanga o te wā. Te awa nei kāre tērā i kārehe wāhanga tērā o te rautaki. Heoi anō, ka koke tonu. Ka tiro ake te rautaki o Manukura. Beautiful strategy there that we're seeing from Manukura. Nicely picked up. Ka hoa tuki waho mo te toru. Ka kōkiri, ka hoa tu. And nicely picked up there by Abernethy. Heoi anō, ka riro. Ia Umanga Marshall. Ashburton now with the ball. A quick play here from Ashburton. Ka whai piro anō, and it pays off. Another shot. Another point on the board. Beautiful bounce pass there. Unable to retain the ball. Again, nicely picked up by Ashburton. Engari. Ko Manukura. Ko Manukura tērā kai whai piro. Good pass there to double. Double to Moffat. Double goes in for the layup. Atahua rawa, beautiful. Well done. Kia tiro ake ki ngā piro, we have both teams even on 19 points. Ko tēnei te hauwha tuarua o tēnei kēmu, we're only in the second quarter of this game. Nō reira, kei te kite te wairua I te ngāo, I te ihi, te wehi te wana, kei te piki tonu. Kare kore, ka piki tonu a ngā hauwha e toi mai ana. So we can see the level of intensity, energy, lifting at the moment. We're only in the second quarter. It's going to be a close game. We can see that now. The points are even between these two teams. No doubt that's just going to keep increasing over the next 2 quarters as well. Ka pai, ko manukura tērā, kua tau mai anō ki te court, so we have manukura taking the court now. Ka tau mai hoki Ashburton. Umanga Marshall tērā. O rawe taua ngana. Kia pai mai hoki. Beautiful work here from Ashburton. Nice screen. Kariro kuru tautuku. Good fellow. Kia rua, kia aia. Tāhua hoki. And another great shot there by good fellow. Papai Kotihi with the ball now. Rawe te tūrapa o te kura o Ashburton. A tāhua hoki taua tūrapa o Kotihi. Tā rawe hoki. Beautifully done. And straight on defense. Nice drive again there by Cochrane. Nicely passed off to Cousins. Good fellow with the rebounds. Ka karanga hara ki runga I aia hoki. Kariro kuru tautuku anō ki aia. Ka mutu pēr. Ko tuhi kōkiri ana rawe te a te pā meki o Goodfellow. Nice deflection there from Goodfellow. Ka hoatu kia kotuhi, ka kōkiri ki te pai, ka whiu atu ki waho. Mo te toru, kare taia te kiwi i te pau, heoi anō. He arawa te anō, ka whai piro anō a kotuhi. Whakataka pene. Nice drive there from double. Ka rawe hoki. Nicely defended there from Manukura, by Manukura. Umanga Marshall, ka hoatu. Korero anō i te pōro. A tāua hoki, nice grab there from Cochrane. Ka pai koe ki te tātou e tai whakawhitinga. Kia kotahi anō te kuru ki aia. Ka re tae te kiwi i te pau. Kotuhi e kōkiri ana ki te pau. Ka riro piro anō tino toki ia i tēnei wāhanga. Double with the ball now. Drives it up through the court. Rawe tau a few. Great pass there. As she puts it through the hoop, Atahua rawa. Nice big pass over the top there. He rautaki anō tērā kua ki tēnei tātou. Ko te tima katoa, ka wehe I te koti. Another good strategy we're seeing there from Ashburton. You've just seen quite a few. I think most of the team got subbed on. Bringing fresh legs onto the court. And it's another way to switch up the momentum and the dynamic a little bit as well. So Manukura would have to adjust to another strategy. Umanga Marshall tērā me te kōkiri. Ka rawe hoki. Kia kotahi te piro ki aia. Rawe te tūrapa o tōno hā. Ko te hi me te kōkiri. Kua karangahara ki runga I a Goodfellow. Nō reira, kia rua anō te piro, ngā kuru tautuku. Roe katoa ngā mahi te kōkiri. Ka riro piro anō a kotihi a tāhua rawa. Double kahua to Kia Cochrane. Kia double anō. Looking for something to open up. Atahua Rawea. Beautiful shot there from double. Ka winga mahi a rai ki konei mai Ashburton. Nicely picked up there by Goodfellow. Double now brings it down, guarded by Kotihi. Nice attempt there by Cousins. Mo te toru ka riro. Mehe te. Nicely driven down there by Goodfellow. Unable to put it through just yet. Ara te hua, there we go. Ka rawe hoki. Rawe te taupatu-patu. Ira roi te paura. Nice contest there underneath the hoop. E te iho I te kaumārima he kona e toi ana ki tēnei hauwha. We have just under 15 seconds left in this game. Motoki here in this quarter. Nicely picked up there by Manukura. Ahua ua te kite ko wai e mau ana I te poro. Heoi anō. Ka pai ko te awa nei ko sing tērā ka tīmata I tēnei hauwhātua toru. So it looks like Sing will be starting us off with the pass. Sing anō e mawana ka hoa atu kia Abbots. Abbots I nei mo te kōkiri, mo te rua. E he kare tai te kimi. Beautiful intercept there. That was by Papa Nui. Ka pai poihipi ka watu kia Abbott. Sing ina nei e mawana I te pōro. Poihipi kariro I te toru mehe te 3-pointer for Poihipi of Manukura. Double ina nei. Ka hoa atu kia Cochrane. Cousins ina nei me te pōro. Cochrane mo te kōkiri. Kia rua piro ki aia. Poihipi nei with the ball. Atahua Abbots with the steal. Ka karanga hara hoki ki runga I te kura o Ashburton. No reira. Ka whai rua kuru tautuku. Abbots. Ka pai 2 free throws for Abbots. Atahua hoki, kotahi anō te piro, kia Manukura. Double with the ball now, bringing it down court. Defended by Singh. Nice attempt there from Moffat. Koihipi naine. Kua karanga rautaki ia, just beautiful work. Poihipi with the three, for the three, unable to put it through the hoop. Hioia no, ko Papanui Ketera I kimi I te pai, I te pou. Tāhua hoki, ko ai tērā. Tāhua nei, Abernethy for a 3-pointer. Kia kite ake rā tātou I te rautaki ārai o Ashburton. Me he te toru piro anō. Another 3-pointer under Manukura's belt. Moffat, te mawana ka hoa atu kia Abernethy. Nicely defended there by Singh and Poihipi. Moffat. Nicely rebounded there by Papanui. Double, bringing the ball down the court. Going in for the drive, passes out to Abernethy. And beautifully put through the hoop. Nice deflection there by Abernethy. Abbott, ka hoa atu kia Singh. Atawa hoki. Abbott with the three-pointer. Rawe katoa te kite I te tautoko o ngā kaitākuro e noho ana ki te paira. Cousins Inaine ka hoa atu kia Goodfellow. Goodfellow with the drive, puts it up, unable to put it through the hoop. Nicely rebounded there by Abbott. Ka pai he toru piro anō whakataka pene a tahua rawa. Beautiful shooting here from Manukura. Koihipi with the ball now. Passes it off to Papanui. A tahua hoki. And a timeout has been called. Kia tiro ake ki ngā piro, we have Manukura leading us 48 points and Ashburton College on 36 points. Nō reira, kua ki te tātou, kua hēki nā te taumata. We've seen the level lifting here in this third quarter. Manukura just pulling away from the taurite, ngā piro, from the balance points. Nō reira, ko te pātai nai nei, he aha te rautaki a Ashburton, o Ashburton. Ka ahatia rātou nai nei. I nā te maia o ngā kaitākaro o Manukura a ki te kuru tautoru. We can see Manukura's confidence in going for those three-pointers have really lifted in this game. They've scored quite a few of those, the three-pointers, in this quarter alone. So, ka pēhea te kura o Ashburton e aukati I aua kuru tuatoru, tautoru. Pai Cochrane with the ball now. Ka hoa atu ki a Cousins. And we see a travel. I karanga hikoi te kaiwawa. Singh passes it off to Koihipi. Ka pai Papanui, ka hoa atu ki a Koihipi. Beautiful work here from Manukura. Atahua rawa. A point, 2 points there from Singh. Nice quick play here from Goodfellow. Ka pai kariro, kotahi anō te kura tautuku ki a Goodfellow. We have another free throw shot. from Goodfellow. Atahua Taua Tūrapa, nicely rebounded there by Cochrane. And a big pass, unable to keep it in, caught I reira te whakaro engari anō te whakatinana. Cochrane, Kawatu, Inaine, ko Cousins. And a good play there as well by Abbott, Te Haorei. Pai te ngana, pai te ngana. Tata, rawa, tata. Nicely rebounded there by Chambers. Larry I tūrapatia te raporo. Double I nai nei. Te kōkiri. Abernethy. Ngana I reira te tirohanga te whakaro. By Abbott bringing the ball down. A nice attempt there from Scudder. Double again with the ball. Defended by Abbott. Kei te ki te inga kōrero a te kaiwa wao o manukura ki te tahara. Pai he hara anō. Nice, quick and easy play there. Good shot from Larry. Nice patience here from Abbott. Passes off to Poihipi. Singh Inaine. Quick pass, unable to get it to where she wanted it to go. Nice drive there. Me te riro piro from Goodfellow. Poihipi e tohu tohu ana I tōna kapa. Nice quick play here. Unable to find the hoop. Kei te pai tērā. Nicely picked up by Larry. Double Inaine with the ball. Ehe ko Abernethy tērā. Cochrane with the drive. Ka karangahara te ahoa nei, Uki. Ka pai and a timeout has been called. Just under 2 minutes left in this third quarter. We have Marukura still in the lead, 50 points, and Ashburton College on 41. Kapai Cochrane with the free throw. Nicely rebounded there by Double. And she puts it up and through the hoop. Manukura bringing it down court. Nicely picked up there by Larry. Cochrane, Inaine with the drive. Unable to find the hoop. Abernethy now, Watu, Kia, Larry. Kapai Larry me te kuru tautuku. Kia kota I piro ki aia. Kia kotahia no te piro kia Larry. Ashburton now only trailing by 4 points. Poihipi e mawana I te poro ka hoatu kia Abbott. Defended by Abernethy. Abbott with the drive and finds the hoop a tahua rawa. Cochrane now with the ball. Defended by Poihipi. Nice drive there from Double. And a good pickup there from Poihipi. Bit of miscommunication there in that play. Ahua wiwi wawa ngā whiu. Abernethy now passes the ball in court. Cochrane drives it down. Kapai Goodfellow now passes it in court. Kapai Singh passes it in court to Abbott. Nicely picked up there by Larry. Double brings it down court. Passes out to Abernethy for three. Atahua Rawa. And a huge pass down the other end of the court. Kapai no reira, ko te kariti, ko te kura o Manukura leading us on 52 points. Ashburton College trailing not that far behind on 49 points in this third quarter. Ka pai ko Abernethy te rā I tīmata I tēnei hauwhā whakamutunga o te kēmu nei. Ko te kura o Ashburton, Te arawātea tā rātou ki te riro piro anō. Larry I nai nei me te kōkiri ka whai piro. Ka whai ko te kura o Manukura I nai nei. E mau nei I te pōro. Ko karangahara ki runga I a Harrison. Cochrane I nai nei I whiu te pōro. Nice pass there to Abernethy. Ka pai karero kia rua ngā kuru tautuku kia Larry. Ka mutu pēr. Roe ngā mahi ārai ki konei mai a Ashburton. Ka pai ko te kura o Manukura tēnei. Te hara mai nei. Nicely picked up there by Abernethy. E he ko double tera by double. Good work there from Manukura getting the ball back. Harrison, ka hoa tū kia Umanga Marshall. And a nice drive there. Unable to find the hoop though. Picked up nicely by Goodfellow. Kapai seeing a few substitutions here from Manukura. Poihipi now with the ball, bringing it down court. Poihipi e mau ana I te pōro I nai nei. Abbott with the three. Picked up by Larry. Kariro, katahi piro, kia rua piro anō. Ashburton now in the lead, 57 points, 52 points for Manukura. Unable to retain the ball in court. Abbott with the ball now. Singh e mau ana I te pōro. Kei te kimi he arawātea. You can see the defensive strategy of Ashburton forcing Manukura to go for those threes. Pushing them wide. Sing inai nei me te pōro ka hoatu kia Abbott. Poihipi inai nei te kōkiri ki te pai, ki te pou. Unable to put it through the hoop. And nice shot there by Larry. Kapai, and another timeout called. Ka ki te rā kua huri te tai I nai nei. Ko te kura o Ashburton e arahi nei I tēnei kēmu. Ma ko te rema te kauma iwa piro ki te rema te kauma rua piro. So, we've seen the tide has changed here in this last quarter of the game. Ashburton now leading us 59 points. And Manukura trailing not so far behind on 52 points. We've got just about 6 minutes left here in this last quarter. He wā roa tērā. Nō reira, ka rea tae te pēhea. Ko ai ka hua, ko ai ka tohu. Ako nei tātou ka kite. So even the slight gap between the points here in this last quarter, 6 minutes is still a bit of time. Anything can happen. Ko skaratera I ngana ki te whaipiro. Abernethy now. Ka hoa tu, ka hoki anō te poro kia double. Nicely deflected there by Manukura defense. Singh now bringing the ball down court, passes it off. Kapai, we're seeing Larry always under the post, always under the hoop, whether that's in the Ashburton shooting side or on their defensive end. And so he toki ia ki te whai tūrapa ahakoa, he tūrapa ārai, he tūrapa kōkiri rānei. So no matter which end she's down, you can always see her underneath the hoop, no matter if it's a defensive or an offensive rebound. He rautaki tino pai tērā. Very good strategy that is, having her under the hoop. Koiara te tai o ngā rautaki māma ki te whaipiro me ki. Poihipi mo te kuru tautuku. Kapai, nice pressure there from Singh as that ball was falling out of court. Mo te toru. Abbott unable to get that rebound. A nice big pass over to Abernethy. Quick play there from Ashburton. Got a 10-point lead now on Manukura. Singh, mo te toru. Ka rawe hoki. Sing, bringing the ball down. Abbott inaine e mawana I te poro. Ka pai kariro ia manukura te poro inaine. I te mea I hipa I te rarangi wainga. So, because Ashburton went over the centre line, the ball goes back to Manukura. A tāhua rawa taua nekihanga o a Poihipi. Nice movement there from Poihipi. Beautiful intercept there from Singh. Unable to keep it on in courts though. Double inaine, imawana I te koro. Nice play there from Ashburton. Te mā hoki. Ko good fellow tērā I riro I taua piro. Pai te kōkiri, ko Abbott tēnei e kōkiri ana ki te pai. Nice deflection there by Ashburton. Good to see a lot more manukura underneath the hoop for those rebounds. Rawe te kōkiri beneath. Ka pai kare taia e ia te kemi I te pou I taua kuru tautuku. Ka rawe hoki te tūrapa a Abbott. Ka hoatu. Kia skara kia Abbott. Kare taia. Ka rawe hoki, nice deflection there by Poihipi, picked up by Larry. Double inaine driving to the hoop. Ka whai piro anō. Pai Manukura just struggling to get the ball down to the baseline. They're seeing the gap. Heoi anō, nā te toko maha o ngā kai tākuro Ashburton ki tērā wāhi e āhua whakauaua ana I taua rautaki. And a nice shot there by Larry. Kia pai mai hoki. Well deflected there by Scudder. Kia mau anō I te koro. Sing I nai nei. Kia pai mai hoki. Another point to Sing. Cousins I nai nei. Me te rua piro a tahua. Sing, quick play here. Pass it off to Poihipi. Kia rawe hoki. Te haupu Singaporo. E te iho I te rua te kauhe kona e toi ana e kare mā. Sing driving up, passes it to Scudder. Nicely picked up by Poihipi. Sing again with the drive. Ka pai, nō reira koe ara te hua e kare mā. We have Ashburton taking out this game, 73 points, and Manukura on 54 points. Ka rawe ke koutou. Ko hine mā.
Ariki ki whakaata Māori me MāORI Plus.
Okay. Yes. Okay. Yeah.
This isn't about long-distance calling, technology, or living overseas.
Do I have one more bid? Thank you.
We're going to go once. We're going twice.
And we are sold to the Kiwi phone bidder from Manchester.
It's about Bailey's finding buyers that others can't.
Sport is about more than just a game. It's about going from teammates to best mates. It's the high fives and helping hands. It's learning when to back yourself or back your buddies. It's actually being excited to get out of bed early on a Saturday. Sport is about more than just a game. That's why Caltex is proud to help fuel school sports.
We love seeing sport in young people's lives. We know it plays a huge impact in what they can do and the opportunities that they have. And funding is a real challenge. We know that a lot of schools face that ongoing, and the reality is if you go to a lower decile school in New Zealand, you are less likely to be able to afford to participate in sport.
Obviously, having come through it myself with kids and being one of those kids myself who played sport, I know how much it defined who I was. When I was 12 years old, I made a rep team in soccer. And the guy, the manager stood up and said, right, with fundraisers, the tracksuits are only $20. And my mum looked at me and she started crying and she said, I can't afford it. And now being able to take that and go, I can't fix it all, but we can help and try and give to those people who are going through tough times. It's a real privilege, but you know, for us, we want to see others get involved in it. This is not a selfish thing for Apollo. This is about how can we get the bigger community, the bigger, whether it's construction or other businesses, to get involved in this.
Look, there's so much need in the schools, and it goes beyond just sport. There's arts, there's culture, there's a lot of things that kids miss out on. And so to have businesses step up and want to be involved and to help is a game changer for schools. It really is. They're so grateful for it, they're so appreciative of it, and they do amazing things with it. So every dollar has a huge impact on helping these schools.
It's why we get out of bed now. We now have staff who've joined us who say that's the reason why they joined Apollo. Because they know that when they come to it, they contribute to something that's just greater than our business. We worked out a little while ago that being part of the community was a part of who we were. And we sort of call it now, our sort of purpose is building communities. And that's just not the physical build. It's actually been able to help and contribute to the communities we operate in. And you know, when we now pitch to our clients for projects, it's the very first thing we talk about. It's not the last thing, it's the first thing, because clients want that, you know, whether they're a council, whether they're a corporate, it's part of where they want to go. And when we can show them what their building is doing away from just the physical structure, they're having an impact on the communities. It's very, very powerful.
It's time for action. We are working to reduce the impacts of climate change, side by side with nature, with each other, through research, investment, and practical innovation. Because nature is not a resource, it's a collaborator. Nativa, leading with nature.
Girls are twice as likely to drop out of sport. That's why 2 Degrees is committed to fighting for fair for women and girls in sport at every level. Get your Support Her merch and keep her in the game.
Get the MāORI Plus app. Download now on Google Play or the App Store with exclusive viewings and 100% ad-free.
Quite like top tier.
Watch us anywhere, anytime. Make MāORI Plus your mate and stream now.